Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Brian Jamuk again. Today's video I'm going to talk about research and AI. Well, have you known that AI can read 1,000 articles in 1 minute in seconds? Well, this is the video for you if you're still ignorant about AI. There are very many different AIs. There is ChatGPT, there is Grok, there is Alexa, there is Siri, Bixby, Gemini. There are very many AIs nowadays. There is DeepSeek. Well, I want to talk specifically about those that can aid so much in research, especially academics, and any other research you want to conduct. Well, I'm going to let me first connect my computer to internet. Just give me 1 minute. Sorry about that. Just give me a second. Let me see what I can do about this. Well, as it's my computer is still loading, I can talk about AI. There is ChatGPT nowadays, the commonest AI. Most of you are using it to search for simple things, yet you can use it to search for a lot of things. Well, AI in our era can be used to do very many things. Can be used, let us configure our computers. It can also help us in research. I've already talked about that. If you had work, for those who are doing bachelor's or your master's, or let's say PhD, your instructors at one point in time have told you to read some number of articles, especially those doing ICT or any research course. The lecturers have told you to read, let's say, a given number of articles within a very short time, and usually you don't have a way of doing that. So the easiest way of doing it is using AI. You can easily go to ChatGPT, you upload your PDF there, and then you tell ChatGPT to summarize for you so that it is easier for you to read very fast. Well, I've connected. Oh God, I want to connect to this one. Well, the moment I connect, I'm going to show you how we can use some of these AIs. So I'm going to use Grok. I'll use their websites because on my PC I have not yet downloaded any AI. So I will try and use Chrome. So I'm going to start with ChatGPT. I will show you what ChatGPT looks like, and if time allows me, I will show you how, let's say, DeepSeek looks like. And any other AI, Grok maybe. I can show you like 3 AIs, how they look like. So I can start with the ChatGPT. So if I look for ChatGPT, they are going to bring for me a platform where I can type whatever I want the AI to do for me. So if you're being given an exercise to do, let's say you're in academics and I've told you to research about something, I've sent you and I'm like, research for me about how I can use a list of tables and figures. All I have to do is come to ChatGPT and I tell it how they use a list of tables in Microsoft Word. There. And I enter. It is going to give me all the content, a list of that. So you look at that. It is going to first tell me how to create and use. So that's how to create. Still telling me how to create. So you see, it's very easy to create. Now the AI has given me all the information I need to create. I need to create a list of tables, so I didn't have to know anything. The moment I program and put it there, I'm done. So it has shown me how to create it and use it. But the moment you have it, you can use it. So you see now that research is made easier with AI. Let's say, and it is not specified to only computer, you can research anything. Let's say I'm doing now, like me personally, I'm doing medicine. I want to search about anatomy, I'm searching about muscles of the pectoral girdle. Yeah. Let's see now. It's going to bring for me the muscles. It will tell you that these muscles are responsible for stabilizing that. Then to go and give you their muscles, their origin, their insertion, tell you about the muscles in details. So you see that AI is essential for our research in this era. Well, I can now try and show you any other AI. Let's say Grok. So I come and put a Grok and I enter. Grok has such a label, so I'll just come and click on it. And I'll just wait for it to load. And I told you we can use these AIs for different things. So I've just shown you how you can use it in academics. I've told you to research about something, you wanted to know, any subject. It's not specified to only one. So let's say I also told you we can use AI, you can use it as counselors, it can give us, it can counsel us. Like let's say you're having emotion breakdown, you can just go to AI and it will give you advice. So let's say I am annoyed. Full stop. I feel like beating someone. And I enter. So let's see what Grok will tell us if I tell them like that. See, he's telling me now, I hear you're feeling really frustrated at that. Those emotions can be intense, it's okay to feel that. Instead of acting on the urge to lash out, maybe there's something else I can do. So let me say I'm persistent. I'm like, you are not listening. Just give me a name. And then I enter. So let's see what it's going to tell us. Alright, how about Mike? So you see, it has given me a name, but it's trying to distract me by asking me what pissed me off. And if you're usually going to rehabs, first way of anger management is accepting the situation you're in. So that's what it's trying to do. It's asking me how am I pissed. So I'm like, I don't care. I am going to beat my. So I enter. Let's see what is going to tell us now. Whoa, you see that? I get you are super heated, but let's take a step back. You look at that. It's now trying to distract you slowly by slowly. So look, the AIs in our era can do anything. Well, we can also try and see what DeepSeek is like. DeepSeek AI. There. So let's see. So we have all seen that AI is important. You can use it in research. You can use it for anything. You can ask AI about anything you want. Well, this doesn't look like it's searching for what I want. I can just go back to the home screen. I can just come here and I take the one I want. I will DeepSeek and search for that. So they'll bring for me DeepSeek. Now this is how DeepSeek looks like. See that? So from here, I can now also, when they bring me the platform, I can ask DeepSeek anything I want. Well, you have seen we can use AIs for anything. We can use it for research in academics, research in projects, any project you want. You can decide to ask him, you can decide to ask about robots. Let's say you're a musician and you're like, I want to write a song. Yeah. Let's see what it is going to tell us. Sorry about that. Okay. So I'm taking that. I want to write a song. Well, I don't know what's wrong with this. Oh, by the way, you can also talk to an AI and it will talk back. So we have this option. If you click here, you're given allowance to what? To talk back. Well, I think there was a problem. I opened Chatbox instead of ChatGPT, instead of DeepSeek. I think that's why it keeps on bringing me here, so that I get the premium level. Premium is where you pay a subscription so that you get the full services from the given software. Now in this case, from this AI I can get any services I want if I tell I pay. But since I was just teaching you, you can always pay and then you get what you want. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Hoping I have taught you something about AI and research. Don't forget to subscribe. After subscribing, hit that bell like button so I get notifications every time I post a video. Like, share, and comment. AI is the future. We are going to the future. So the earlier we embrace AI, the better we learn these things. Thank you.